My name is Malka Helft. I'm the owner of Think Chic Interiors. I am an interior designer. I design full homes, rooms, bathrooms, kitchen, you name it. The project started in a very pragmatic way. The homeowner wanted to expand the primary suite and add another bathroom. So that's really where we started. And once we did, we wanted to make it as beautiful as possible. This tile has a beautiful mixture of grays, taupes, whites. It has this very neutral feel to it, but very luxurious all at the same time. It was a perfect colorway for the project. So having the stone right in the back as kind of our accent stone for the bathroom was perfect. It gave us the ability to stay with the tone on tone and still bring in that beautiful texture that we wanted. I think that the motif that keeps on going through my work would be beauty and practicality. And I feel like it comes through in this bathroom as well. Part of the reason why I love artistic tile to begin with is when you walk into their showroom, you're going to find a slab, you're going to find tile in different sizes and beautiful textured stones like the one we have here. And they were amazing when it came to bringing it all together.